Hey everybody, it's JC from Tampa, Florida today. Just went across the bay here and had a work thing that I had to do out here, and said, hey, why don't I go exploring? So that's what we're gonna do this morning. Go out, take a little walk on the Riverwalk here in Tampa, over by University of Tampa, and see what we can see this morning, and maybe jam out to Ybor City later on. So come with me, please. Please. Hey, you don't have to follow me everywhere. I mean, I'm gonna take you with me, but okay, you can follow me in Tampa. Beautiful foggy morning, about 60 degrees, something like that. Yeah, so this river walk spans about 2.5 miles. Runs along the Hillsborough River here, and it connects with, parks and museums, restaurants, the wharf. There's a place called Sparkman Wharf on there, and also you got University of Tampa, which is off in the fog. Very cool view. Could see it yesterday when I arrived here, but can't see it today, of course. And you've got News Channel 8 right across the way here. Very popular station. It takes you out to the bay. There it is at ground level. Let's get out on it, see what we can see. Lived here pretty much my whole life, and I've never seen this. I wish we could see University of Tampa. Hopefully the sun will come out here and we'll see it. It's very cool looking, very like Russian looking, which I love. That'll take you over to University of Tampa, that bridge. The other way is downtown. There's this big old building here. The foggy Tampa. You can kind of see UT in the distance there, poking through the fog. Looks like this is as far as we go. Curtis Hickson Waterfront. Gonna head over this bridge, see what we got. UT over there. The Straz Center. They have a lot of performing arts over there. Not sure what's in town right now. The Cass Street Bridge, 1926. 100 years old. Nice. Zero reservations about walking over a 100-year-old bridge. I'm 45 and I'm falling apart. Okay, Straz Center. Looks like it just says and Juliet. So I don't know if Romeo's not involved anymore, but and Juliet is playing from the 10th through the 15th, and then Hell's Kitchen will be here. So I don't know if that's going to be Gordon Ramsay or a play. So yeah, come to Straz Center, see Hell's Kitchen, Or don't, you donkey. You donut. You know, everybody always tells you to try to get ahead in life. And I just never know what they quite mean by that. So, there you go. I got a head in the shot. I don't know whose head that is. Oh, it's really cool. Hold on. So from here, you can see it from this angle. Then you come over here. Oh, that's cool. Really neat. Oh, yeah. We got a head. Look at that. That's so cool. The whole thing is just so, it's so weird. It's like Tampa or Moscow. Rivergate Tower. And a line of buddies. See ya. Bye. See ya. Waiting for breakfast. Me too. This line of seagulls. Gonna be a good day though. Gonna head to Ybor. Take a real quick walk through Ybor, and then we'll see what else the day holds. My room is somewhere up there. Up there. And if you're really feeling adventurous, you can take a pirate water taxi, which will take you from here all the way up through by Davis Island and Harbor Island and by the aquarium. And then it'll take you back. Not me. I'm not a pirate. Very cool. Pirate ship replica. You can climb to the top sails. Do things with the jib. Swab the poop deck. There she be. In all her glory. The Jose Gospel. Yar. Not so lost now, is she? Polite pirates. Watch your head. Hey, watch your head. On your way to the plank. The little water cannons. Oh, the wench's room. Like to see that HR report. There it is. The lost pearl. The unlost pearl. And here's where you can get your water taxis and take your tours. Very cool. This bridge is lit, fam. Imagine a pirate winning the lottery and telling the captain that he's quitting. I just thought about that. Aye, Captain. I'd love to swab the poop deck for you, but I've just won the lottery. take this job and shove off. Going to meet a friend for breakfast, and then I'm possibly going to head to Ybor, or some people say Ybor, but that's not what it's called. It's Ybor. Well, local reporting on the local reporting. Oh, it's going down for real. I don't know what it is, but it's going down. Local reporting on the local reporting on a report from a local. They're probably talking about me being in Tampa today. It's a big deal. 1 hour later. Oh, there it is. UT. Not University of Tennessee. A lot of people think it is, but it's not.
What's going on, you guys? Taking the walk here. Me and JC. You see me and JC?
It's hard to get the
right because it's trying to follow my face still.
It just wants you. Once it locks on, it's like, you're my guy.
Well, you're getting a lot of me right now. Taking the walk. All of the fog is cleared up. If you were wondering about the weather, but it's a beautiful day over here in Florida. We're gonna have a good time. I'm JC actually, as a matter of fact. We did like Freaky Friday. It was crazy. We were just walking and we went to the first watch, and yeah, we just switched. It was something in the coffee, I think it was. But
that's going on the channel.
But yeah, we're having a really great time. We're gonna see some of the sights around here in Tampa today, so stay tuned.
Dolphins and the Bay. Oh, dude, they're out. All right, I think I got enough dolphins. Oh my gosh, there's 4 of them. We're all right there. Oh, and another one. All right, tourist. Me and Matt in the most lit bridge in Tampa. So we were walking down the Riverwalk here, and we saw a boat that has my nickname on it. And Matt, am I wrong? Everybody calls me Dutch Treat. Come on.
Everybody we know calls you Dutch Treat.
Wait, hold on. I gotta get this testimony. You guys.
Everybody we know calls them.
Does everybody call me Dutch Treat?
Everybody.
Okay. Yes, I am Dutch Treat. Everybody knows that. So it's
like the DT.
So we're using archaic rules. It's mine now, right? That's so cool, just seeing the cruise ship like that. There it is. Norwegian Cruise Lines. That's what it is. Departing. Hey Matt, don't forget to be the thunder. Don't
Raiden.
I just wanted to remind you of that. Wait, is this 2?
Yeah, this is one this way. You want to take this
Oh. Are you guys coming back? With Celsius? Wait.
We want to go Ybor. Okay.
Don't forget the San Francisco treat. San Francisco treat.
That's like we're talking about Celsius. I'm like,
Yeah, they got Celsius everywhere. Everything reminds me of Celsius. Wait.
Is that a local?
Hey Matt, did you know that we are just a Celsius commercial? All of life in general is just a Celsius commercial.
Live
I didn't
fit. Think so?
Wait, clinically proven. Wait. Be the thunder. I'm gonna say that 1,000 times today. Maybe 1,000,000 times.
It's one of the best ones, but it's all the way up there, terminal. So it's easier to walk back from it.
Hey.
Perfect, thank you.
You walk.
Yeah. There we go. Where are we going?
We are going to Ybor City.
Oh, there's Central. Oh, there's one of those roosters. Get out of here.
You see the rooster?
Yeah.
I told you. They just down there doing their thing.
Well, he can't do that on camera. It's not appropriate. All right. Excuse me. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Ybor City. Do we have any facts on Ybor City? Founded in 1987 by John Cougar Mellencamp and John Bon Jovi. John Bon Jovi. They wrote a song about it the summer of '69. Hey! You know any good places to eat? Hey! I think there's like a huge fine of like messing with these guys. I'm not messing with you. Listen, I called your PR people. I called your PR people. We're okay. Good Lord, he is like.
I know.
Look at him. He's chilling too. Oh, do it. Oh, he's getting his Tesla. He's getting in his Tesla. We just chased this rooster. And
with Big Jimmy?
Big Jim left in his Tesla. He didn't like that. Oh, there he is. He's talking it. Oh, somebody's getting got. Bye. Pay your car note. Okay. Founded in the 1880s. All right. 1880s by Vicente Martinez. Vicente Martinez. I think this is going to be Vicente right here. This gotta be. No?
Oh, no, that's Molly.
Cigar capital of the world, baby. I should know all this stuff. I live like right around the corner.
Yep, that's him.
Is that him?
Yep.
Oh, he's still around too. Like you would think. He looks pretty good for 18
Let's see.
18 something. Wait, it like says it right here. I mean,
The whole thing.
Vicente Martinez, the founder. Look at this guy. What is this, Ronald? Rolling.
Rolling. Oh, man.
Yeah, so Limp Bizkit wrote a song about him. Rolling. No? Is that?
It could have been about him. And they were, because they were trying to think about getting rid of the statue, right?
Yep.
And he said, keep rolling.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Matt with the one-liner, with the zinger, the little dad joke. We're going to 7-Eleven, founded in 1747 by John Candy. John Candy. Yeah, he's after Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. We have a problem. We went into 7-Eleven, the historic 7-Eleven in Centro Ybor, and Matt has listen. I don't know. I mean, it's a stretch.
This is what I want to do at some point.
I thought you meant cheesyology.
Maybe
this,
next to the ghost tour.
This just in. Matt is into cheesyology.
Why does cheesyology, like the ghost tour, start with cheesyology?
Well, it teaches you about your soul through the inner workings of cheese. So like
They go together.
that is nuts. That is so cool. There it is. Cigars. A lot of old cigar factories.
Is this the one?
This is not the one,
Okay,
I don't
I'm
think,
saying.
but it is a one.
It is a
I think it's like the, that's like a franchise now.
Okay, gotcha.
So yeah. So we're gonna go in there and do our
Do
our dance and get a job.
I'll
We
do,
get-
I'll do the whining.
We're like, we're both calling to submit our resignations.
Yeah, we decided
We-
we want to dance
we-
on the bar.
We decided to follow our passion, which is dancing.
I want somebody to tell me how dumb I am if I do something like that. I doubt anybody will in today's day and age, but I wish somebody would be like, that is the stupidest thing I have ever heard.
My passion is pouring drinks and dancing on bars in my high heels.
Like, are you okay?
You out of your mind?
What we are gonna do is give you a
But
day.
that's the thing. Like nobody's gonna tell you that.
No.
Because everybody now says follow your passion. It's like,
No,
okay,
we-
my passion is to take Beanie Babies, rip their heads off, and throw them at strangers. Follow your passion. No, don't follow that passion. That's stupid, dude. Go off. Go off.
Yeah, I will.
Oh man,
If I had my iPad.
I'm just gonna tell you, I just got tuberculosis from that. like, hey, how'd you?
Like you do that, and literally somebody come out and give you a shot.
Hey, hey,
You need this now.
hey, where'd JC go? Oh, he played this piano in Ybor. That was it. That was the end.
He'll be back
know,
by 18.
He may never return from where he went.
Oliver Roy.
Went to the upside down. What was he playing? The Jaws theme song. It was stupid as hell. I don't even know why he was playing that. He doesn't know what he's doing. Shouldn't have been doing that. The universe has its ways, right? I think it's right down here. Oh, nice move.
I saw a good old Ybor accident.
That was well worth it. You needed to get to the signature collections really bad.
Women's March for sure. 100%. Those fragrances. Please use other doors.
Dude, look at the tile.
I know.
Like, dude, this is like old. I mean, 1905. There you go. In 1175, Pope Alexander authorized Orden Real Santiago to protect the Pilgrim Way, the shrine of Santiago St. James. Fast forward to 1972. Ybor City civic leaders.
Nothing happened between those
Nothing at all. Nothing to see here.
those 800 years.
Nothing to see here. Nothing. The Rough Riders rode by here in 1898.
I didn't know DMX was that old.
Yeah. Wait. Stop. Wait. The rough. Stop. Drop. Shut them down. Open up shop. Ybor City, 1898. You had no idea. The Rough Ride. R.I.P. DMX. R.I.P. So this is DMX coming over on the pin. No, where is he? I don't see him.
There's him, Dragon, Juvenile was with them on that one remix.
This is how I make my coffee in the morning. I I don't want to explain the process. That's a whole episode, but it's a little involved.
That's parts of waking up.
is putting it in the old oak barrel and then getting it into your cup after a long process.
And then doing the technic shot.
Well, I already played the piano, so it's going downhill from there. This is what we came in on. This is our whip.
It had hydraulics on it too.
It did, but it didn't have any dew though. No dew on the trolley. Look, no, I'll do a. It's a whirlwind day. Oh my gosh, this is like. This is where I want to be. This is what I want to do. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's cool. Like, you don't see this anywhere, right? 1904. 1904, that was a few years ago. And now the venue's for rent.
Right?
Hey-o. I got you. You got two girlfriends. Now we gotta fuel up. We gotta get some. If you're gonna come down here, you gotta get some Cuban eats.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get a Cuban. See what it's all about. Get it. Cuban eats. Oh yeah. That's so good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good.
That's what
Very
we're
good.
looking
Oh, there's Matt. How is it?
for. Amazing.
Bueno?
Bueno.
Muy. Oh yeah. Cuban Eats, come do it. This isn't that kind of channel. But I did it. Matt, take us out. What do we do? We did Tampa?
We did Tampa. We sampled Tampa, but we will be back. There's so much to do, so much to see. Been an amazing day.
So much to do, so much to see, so much wrong with taking the back street.
That's
You
one
never
way.
shine if you don't know.
Okay.
You never know if you. Wait, hey now.
Wiki.
You're an all-star. Come on. You know that song.
I know, but I can't.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Good weekend.
That's
So
it.
end of the video.
That's it.
See ya.